Orlando housing report ending September 2020. Hey, it's your boy Maurice Pierre, your Orlando real estate professional. And today we're going to take a deeper dive into the final real estate numbers for the month of September of this year, 2020. We all know it's been a crazy year. The real estate market itself, none of us could have predicted what we're experiencing right now, okay? So, Orlando area homes continue to fly off the market this fall as inventory remains tight. Now, that's according to the report from the Orlando Regional Realtors Association. Monthly housing data from September 2020 reveals that we have fewer homes on the market and higher prices than September of 2019 around the same time. In fact, we're seeing a over 23% drop in the amount of inventory on the market. And in fact, we're seeing a 10% increase in the overall median price of homes. So the overall median price of homes right now sit at roughly $270,000. Now, that $270,000 that we're talking about is if you took all of the homes that have sold across our area, if you take the condos, the single family homes, duplexes, townhomes, villas, all of those properties, and the median price itself is roughly about $270,000, which is actually up 10% last year. Now, let's take a deeper dive into those numbers, okay? So, if you were to take away all the other homes, right? The condos, the duplexes, the townhomes, all of those, right? And let's look specifically at the single family homes. Now, the median price of the single family home here in Orlando is roughly about $295,000. Okay, so that's actually 11.5 over 11% increase since last year. So if you are looking to get into a single family home, the average median price here in our area is roughly about $295,000 plus. Which is a slight increase from what we saw last month, but definitely a significant increase from last year, this exact same time, which puts us above 11% increase in single family homes. Now, right now, we are looking at our inventory sitting at roughly 5,972 homes available in our market, okay? Last year, compared to the same time, we had roughly 7,784 thousand homes that were available for sale last year. So that is actually a drop again of roughly 23% of available inventory. But let's look a little closer now. If you look at the same thing now, when we just extrapolate the numbers, we take away and we just look at single family homes, right? We are seeing that the amount of single family homes available in our area right now is roughly about 3,986. Last year, September of 2019, we had roughly 6,102 homes available for them on the market, right? That's a significant decrease in terms of available homes. So now you see what's pushing the market itself right now. So September of this year, right, we had roughly 3,478 homes that sold. Last year, September of 2019, you saw a total sales of 2,989, which is pretty significant. So we're seeing less inventory, but buyers are even more aggressive this year, and you're finding out that whatever's available right now, you have more than enough buyers out there that are ready and willing to buy. So it's an extremely strong seller's market. So based on those numbers, you're seeing sales actually up 16% compared to the same time last year. Now, we had roughly 3,870 homes that actually came on the market in September, which is actually a little more inventory than we had come on the market last year this time. Last year, this time, we saw 3,453 new homes that came on the market. Now, what's pushing everything again is we're seeing that in September we saw 5,429 homes that actually were under contract, as compared to last year you saw 4,282 homes that went under contract and went pending. So you're definitely seeing more activity. You're seeing more buyers in the market. You're seeing more people placing homes on the under contract itself. And what we're also seeing right now is the average time on the market right now is roughly about 48 days. Last year, same time, you're seeing about 51 days on the market. So that is all helping with the market in terms of the availability, how fast homes are moving, how fast they're going under contract. Now, depending on the area that you're in, depending on the property, the features, the conditions, price that it's listed at, and what's being done to market those property, there are certainly areas that we've seen and that I'm seeing myself that homes are actually going under contract well shorter than the average time frame of 48 days. Now, right now, the amount of inventory in the market, right? So if we have roughly 1.72 month supply of inventory. And what that means to us, if we did not have another property that came on the market, another home that came onto market right now, it would take roughly 1.72 months to sell out all those inventory. And just to kind of give you a sense so you understand, a 5 to 6 month supply of inventory makes it a balanced market, right? As you start shifting into 6+ months supply of inventory, then it becomes a seller's market, right? 7, 8, 9, 10 months, right? However, at 1.72 month supply of inventory, that makes it extremely strong seller's market, which means there's very little inventory right now for a buyer to choose from. So now, low supply, high demand, and that's driving the market right now. So yeah, so I just want to share some of that information with you, kind of let you know the final figures now that they're out for September of 2020. Now is a great time to be in the market. In fact, even though prices are up, it's still a great time to buy. We noticed that this in September of this past month, the average 30-year mortgage rate was roughly 2.74%. Wild, ain't it? Now, last year, September, same time frame, you were looking at an average interest rate of roughly 3.68%. Now, 3.68% interest rate, that's an extremely attractive interest rate for a mortgage. But 2.74% is even better, isn't it? So interest rate continue to stay historically low. I can't imagine them going a whole lot lower, even though I did have a couple of closings this past month where a couple of clients actually got interest rates as low as the mid 2%. So that was extremely exciting for them. I would take it. So I mean that's all driving the market. Buyers are excited right now. They're getting great interest rates. The only problem that they're running into right now is the limited inventory in the market. So if you own a home right now, couldn't be a better time than now to be on the market and obviously taking advantage of the demand and the low inventory that we've got right now. In fact, we haven't seen this level of inventory that we're currently dealing with right now. The last time we had inventory this low, we were actually looking at, I think it was 2006. So we're almost 14 years, right? It's been 14 years since we've seen this low in inventory. And we all know what happened back then, 2006, probably one of the strongest, most aggressive markets we've had then. So right now, it's a great time to be in the market, whether you're looking to sell, whether looking to buy. It's a great time to be in the market. Prices are at all-time high, interest rates at an all-time low. So if you are considering maybe looking to sell and want to know what your home is worth, hey, give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to put some information together for you and let you know if it's a good time for you. If you're in the market looking to buy, don't hesitate. I mean, it's practically free money these days, right? So don't hesitate. Interest rates are extremely low. If you need to get in contact with a loan officer or mortgage person, I've got some great people on my team that I can put you in contact with. So again, it's Maurice Pierre, your Orlando real estate professional, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.